David planted his apple orchard in 6 rows with 22 trees in each row. 9 of the trees died. How many trees does David now have in his orchard? First of all, I'm noticing that there's quite a few different bits of data being in word form. I'm going to write the number above it. And when I have 3 bits of data, oftentimes this might lead me to believe that it is a multi-step question. And this is indeed a multi-step question. So if I start with the first sentence, David planted his orchard in 6 rows with 22 trees in each row. I need to know how many trees there are in all to find out how many trees he has after the trees died. So I'm combining there, and I'm combining rows with trees, and so that is 6 rows, each with 22 trees. So this would be 22 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 again plus 1 is 132. Now that's how many trees he planted. However, 9 of the trees died. Now to find out how many trees are in the orchard now, at this point I need to separate. I need to separate out the 9 dead trees. And I have to regroup here. 2 minus 9 can't do it. So I regroup from my 3. That becomes a 2. And now 12 minus 9 is 3. 2 comes down and the 1 comes down. So the answer is H, 123 trees.